Hello everybody and welcome to Infinite Microsoft Shopping feed. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up this app. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have a Microsoft advertising account. In it, you have to create a merchant center store. You can see I have already created multiple stores here. Now I will create a feed to upload products here. And for that, this app is required. So click on get started. Here you have to write your feed name. This application can create multiple feeds using Shopify markets, but right now I'm creating for the United States. Now I'm selecting the language and currency accordingly. You can see there are some options and you can select them according to your requirements. It's up to you, but I'm going with the default settings. Here are some fields that are required, so I am selecting them from the given options. Now I'm clicking on sync now. Now you will have to select a plan according to your requirements. You can see there are three plans: basic, standard and premium. I'm going with the free plan that will provide up to 100 products. So I'm clicking on subscribe. You can see the products are in the uploading process. Now the products have been uploaded and you can get the files link by clicking on view. This is the files link and you can also get the link in settings. This is the files link. Now in the apps dashboard, you can see there are total 676 SKU because the 100 products have been uploaded along with all of their variants. Now let's move to the Microsoft advertising account. You can see I have already opened one store. Now I will upload a feed in it. I'm writing the feed name here. Now we have to select the country. I'm selecting the United States. Here you have to paste the source URL that you copied. Now I'm setting the schedule frequency on daily, but you can adjust the settings according to your requirements. According to this US and Canada time, Microsoft will sync your data. Click on create feed. You can see it's syncing the data. Now I'm clicking on it. You can see it's saying your file is empty, but you don't need to worry because the data won't show here until Microsoft fetches it. Let me show you how it will come. In feeds, I have already synced one. You can see this feed. Now the data has been synced and processed successfully. I only use this account for testing purpose. That's why I'm having these issues. You will be having an actual account so you won't face any issue. So this was all about Infinite Microsoft Shopping feed. I hope after watching this video you will have a clear idea of how to set up this app. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.